here are our pipe support. These are our pipe hangers. This is an SRS, this is an SRV. They're both designed to carry refrigerant piping across. They're rated for about 44 pounds apiece, and they clip onto a threaded rod. Here you can see the SRS and the SRV are both connected to one single rod. It's a big time saver. We've got the plate underneath it. It's an insulation protection plate that actually protects the insulation from collapsing from the weight of all of what you see here and reducing the insulation capacity. These things are easily adjusted up and down by the push of a button on the back side. Let me see if I move my hand out of the way. Up and down, like so, in case you need to raise it or lower it to make it even all across. You can also, there's a tab on the back side that you can release, and you can release the top here and take this out to perform maintenance, replace it, or in a case where you're using a larger hanger, you can remove this one, add an SRV, and you can put more layers on top of that as well. And it just clips back over, pops back in the little hole, and you're secure. That's it. Hope you liked the video.